Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to find out what shape the user is trying to enter. So let's get started. So first we are going to make some user input, and this user input is going to be called number of sides, which is going to be equal to int input enter the number of sides your shape has. So we're going to do this, and when he enters it, we are going to make lots of it. When he enters it, we want to see what shape it is. So let's say he entered 3. We wanted to say this is a triangle, and and then 4. This is a quadrilateral, so we can cover up all of those shapes that have 4 sides, and there's also a lot of other stuff. So in order to do that, we need to make a bunch of if statements. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to tell you what these do, okay? So I'm back with all the if statements done. So let's see what these do now. So start with the first if statement. So it says if number of sides is less than 3. So in this if statement, it says the number has to be 3 or more. So since they entered something less than 3, it's going to say 3 or more. This whole thing. It's going to say that. And then the next statement is if number of sides is equal to 3. So that basically means if the number of sides are equal to 3, which basically means if the user entered 3, then it would do this, which is this is a triangle. It would print this as a triangle. And if they enter 4, then it's going to say this is a quadrilateral, because we want to. There's a lot of shapes with 4 sides, so we just want to cover them all by saying quadrilateral. So yeah, and then number of sides, which is going to be equal to 5. It's going to say this is a pentagon. If it's equal to 6, it's going to say this is a hexagon. If it's equal to 7, it's going to say heptagon. If it's equal to 8, it's going to say octagon. If it's equal to 9, it's going to say nonagon. If it's equal to 10, it's going to say decagon. And I made an else statement, and inside this else statement, it says this is a. So it's going to do this is a, and then the value of number of sides, and then dash gone. So why I did this was because I wanted to see if they did anything bigger than 10. Then we normally just call it with their what's it called? Yeah, with their number and then dash gone. So yeah, I also forgot one. It's called the let me show you. It's called the undecagon. So that's the one with 11 sides. So yeah, if none of these are true, then it's gonna do how many the user entered. So yeah. So let's run this and see what happens. Run. It says enter the number of sides your shape has. So let's start from the beginning. So 3, this is a triangle. 4, 5, 6, hexagon. 7, heptagon. 8, octagon. 9, nonagon. And 10, decagon. And 11 undecagon, and we're going to type a big, huge number. And make sure there's only numbers, not any like symbols. So yeah, and then we're going to press enter. Enter. And it's going to say this is that number and then dash gone. So yeah, it's going to do that for everything. And try the 1, 2. It says sorry, the number has to be 3 or more. And 2. Sorry, the number has to be 3 or more. So yeah guys, that was the end of the video. So if you like this video, then make sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.